1. Which tool is primarily used to automate Windows deployment and simplify operating system imaging for multiple devices? A. System preparation tool. B. Microsoft Deployment Toolkit. C. Deployment Image Servicing and Management. D. PowerShell scripts. 2. What protocol is commonly used for secure communication and file transfers between endpoints and servers in an enterprise environment? A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. B. Server Message Block. C. Lightweight Directory Access Protocol. D. File Transfer Protocol. 3. Which PowerShell commandlet can you use to retrieve all installed applications on a Windows 10 device? A. Get Windows feature. B. Get installed application. Process. Package. 4. Which Windows feature allows IT administrators to enforce security policies and configurations across multiple endpoints? A. Local Group Policy Editor. B. Windows Security Center. C. Microsoft Intune Compliance Policies. D. Device Manager. 5. What is the primary function of a device configuration profile in Microsoft Intune? A. To monitor endpoint hardware performance. B. To manage user authentication methods. C. To apply settings and policies to endpoints. D. To deploy application updates. 6. Which deployment method allows IT teams to perform a bare metal installation of Windows over the network? A. Windows Autopilot. PXE boot deployment. Sequences. D. Offline image deployment. 7. What is the purpose of using Windows Update for Business in an enterprise environment? A. To block all updates permanently. B. To schedule and manage update deployments. C. To uninstall critical patches. D. To restrict user access to updates. 8. When troubleshooting a device that cannot join Azure Active Directory, which tool provides detailed error reporting? A. Event Viewer. B. Azure AD Connect Health. Device Manager. Task Scheduler. 9. Which authentication method provides strong passwordless access for Microsoft 365 services? A. Smart Card Authentication. B. Multi-factor authentication with SMS. C. Windows Hello for Business. D. LDAP bind authentication. 10. In Microsoft Intune, what is a compliance policy used for? A. To audit hardware inventory. B. To enforce security requirements on devices. C. To install applications automatically. D. To create deployment images. 11. Which protocol is used by Active Directory to query and update directory information? A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure HTTPS. B. Server Message Block. C. Lightweight Directory Access Protocol LDAP. D. File Transfer Protocol FTP. 12. Which type of update ring in Intune is best suited for testing updates on a small group of devices before broader deployment? A. Pilot ring. B. Broad deployment ring. Critical ring. D. Deferred ring. 13. Which method is used to remotely reset a user's Windows 10 password without physically accessing the device? A. Local security policy. B. Remote desktop password reset. C. Azure AD self-service password reset. D. Group policy preferences. 14. Which Windows security feature isolates untrusted applications in a separate environment to prevent system compromise? A. Windows Defender Firewall. B. Microsoft Defender Application Guard. C. BitLocker Drive Encryption. D. Credential Guard. 15. Which tool allows administrators to capture and deploy a customized Windows image with pre-installed applications? A. DSM. B. Microsoft Deployment Toolkit. C. Windows Autopilot. PowerShell. 16. When managing endpoint updates, which reporting feature allows administrators to view devices that failed to install updates? A. Windows Security Center. B. Update compliance reports in Intune. C. Device Health Dashboard. D. Event Viewer. 17. Which technology encrypts the entire disk on a Windows device to protect data in case of theft or loss? A. Windows Defender Firewall. B. BitLocker Drive Encryption. C. Secure Boot. D. Credential Guard. 18. Which method allows administrators to deploy Windows apps silently to devices without requiring user interaction? A. Configuring a scheduled task to run application installers. B. Using Microsoft Intune to assign applications for automatic installation. C. Sending email instructions to users for manual installation. D. Asking users to download and install applications from the Microsoft Store. 19. Which Microsoft Intune feature allows administrators to remotely lock or wipe a device that is lost or stolen? A. Device Compliance Policy. B. Conditional Access Policy. C. Remote Action. D. Configuration Profile. 20. Which feature in Windows 10 allows IT to block access to removable storage devices to prevent data leaks? A. Device Guard with hardware-based security policies. B. BitLocker encryption for all fixed drives. C. Group policy to disable access to removable drives. D. Windows Defender antivirus scanning removable media. 21. Which report type in Intune provides a summary of device compliance with security policies? A. Device Health Summary. B. Compliance Status Report. C. Endpoint Activity Log. D. Update Deployment Report. 22. Which Windows feature allows administrators to deploy and manage software updates without user interaction? A. Windows Update for Business. B. Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Task Scheduler. D. Device Guard. 23. What is the primary function of the Windows Autopilot deployment method? A. To perform network-based imaging of Windows devices. B. To pre-configure devices for users before first sign-in. C. To uninstall legacy applications. D. To encrypt drives automatically. 24. Which type of Azure AD group is best suited for dynamic assignment of devices based on specific attributes? A. Security Group. B. Distribution Group. C. Dynamic Device Group. D. Mail-enabled Group. 25. Which diagnostic tool allows administrators to view detailed logs for Microsoft Endpoint Manager device deployments? A. Event Viewer. B. Endpoint Analytics. C. Device Manager. D. Task Scheduler. 26. When planning a deployment, which principle ensures minimal disruption to end users while updating devices? A. Least Privilege Principle. B. Phased Deployment Strategy. C. Single Device Update. D. Immediate Reboot Policy. 27. Which method is most effective for tracking compliance of devices with regulatory standards such as GDPR or HIPAA? A. Group Policy Objects. B. Intune Compliance Policies and Reports. C. Manual Device Audits. D. Local Security Policies. 28. Which Windows feature can restrict applications to run only from trusted locations? A. Device Guard. B. Windows Hello. C. Application Control Policies. D. Credential Guard. 29. Which authentication method enhances endpoint security by using biometrics such as facial recognition or fingerprints? A. Smart Card Authentication. B. Multi-factor authentication. C. Windows Hello for Business. D. Password hash synchronization. 30. Which PowerShell commandlet can be used to check the current update status of a Windows device? Get Windows Update Log. Get Update History. C. Get Installed Application. Get Service. 31. Which Intune feature allows automatic deployment of Wi-Fi, VPN, and email profiles to devices? A. Device Compliance Policy. B. Configuration Profiles. C. Security Baselines. D. Device Restrictions. 32. When troubleshooting slow Windows startup times, which tool provides detailed boot performance metrics? A. Event viewer logs for system startup. B. Performance monitor real-time graphs. C. Windows reliability monitor and boot analyzer reports. D. Device manager driver performance statistics. 33. Which conditional access policy can block access to corporate resources from unmanaged devices? A. Device compliance policy. B. Azure AD conditional access policy. C. Windows firewall policy. D. Group policy object. 34. Which strategy ensures that employees are trained on proper device use and endpoint security best practices? A. Compliance auditing. B. Endpoint user training and mentoring. C. Patch management. D. Device inventory. 35. Which Windows tool can generate logs for troubleshooting application deployment issues in Intune? A. Event viewer. B. Performance monitor. Task scheduler. D. Device manager. 36. Which encryption method protects sensitive files on a Windows device without encrypting the entire drive? A. BitLocker. B. Encrypting file system. C. Secure boot. D. Windows Defender Credential Guard. 37. Which report in Intune provides insights into application installation success and failure across all devices? A. Device Health Report. B. App Install Status Report. C. Endpoint Analytics. D. Security Baseline Compliance Report. 38. Which deployment option in Intune allows devices to receive apps and policies immediately after enrollment? A. User-driven deployment. B. Self-enrollment. C. Automatic enrollment. D. Offline deployment. 39. Which Windows feature prevents unauthorized firmware and boot-level malware from loading? A. BitLocker. Secure boot. C. Windows Hello. D. Credential Guard. 40. Which best practice ensures endpoint administrators maintain knowledge and support skills for new Microsoft 365 features? A. Phase deployment. B. Continuous learning and mentoring. C. Device imaging. D. Manual update scheduling.